Today I'm inviting you into Casa Medusa. Casa Medusa, just the name evokes allure and power. It's one of the most powerful Greek figures in mythology, and it's really a testament to the grandeur of this beautiful home. I feel like I'm inside an Italian palace. It's just amazing. Just need to take a moment to take it in, because this is so exceptional. You don't have any properties like this. It's a particular blend of Moorish architecture. Everything is artisan and Italian style. So let's have a look. First of all, I'd like to draw your attention to the cupola. The entrance hall, as you can see, is absolutely huge. We've got double-sided, high chandelier, and we're straight to one of the features of the house, which is an atrium, patio, courtyard, whatever you like to call it. It can be Italian, it can be very Andalusian style, and I think this is one of the big features of this house. It's beautiful. Following on, take you on a tour throughout. On my right, we have a formal library, kitchen, which is a double-sized kitchen with chef's kitchen, butler's kitchen. As we flow, you can immediately see this house is a house on the ground level for entertaining, and really, I would call it presidential style. Have a look at this dining room. This dining room is a formal dining room next to the kitchen, but just look at the furniture. How beautiful is this? Let's move on, keep going. So we're coming into the formal area of the house. This is a triple-size lounge with seating areas on both ends. Formal, informal, fireplace, high ceilings. Everything here has been sourced by the owners. They lived all over the world, particularly in Asia, Italy, Spain, France, and even as far away as Saudi. So there are influences from their travels and their lives. This house has a history, really personal history. So let's take a moment and we're going to go and explore outside. Again, what it has is the typical Andalusian terrace, which is, again, I've always say my favorite part of living in Spain. You have your big covered porches, always either side, left or right. You can sit, you can chill out, you can dine, and look at what we have in front of us. I'd like you to understand exactly where we are. We're right on the top street in Sierra Blanca. Sierra Blanca in the Golden Mile in Marbella is considered one of the top locations in Spain. It's also some of the most expensive streets in the entire country, and we are right at the top of it. This property has, dimension-wise, it has 1,922 meters squared built in 3 floors, which we will show you as we progress. We have a double plot, which is 4,223, and we have the most stunning views that I think anybody could want. It's an oversized pool, as it's very obvious, and you have an amazing pavilion in Spanish. Full summer kitchen here. You can just barbie, absolutely industrial level barbecue here, that's for sure. Put the spit roast on and take in the view in front of you. So the house is directly facing south, out to the sea, and we have sun early morning. East is coming over my head behind me, and we have southwest to the left. From here you can see Africa, Gibraltar, Morocco. It's just amazing. And behind me we have the best backdrop, La Concha Mountain, in the entire Marbella area. It's very obvious that this is a substantial house for people of consequence. Not only do we have the gardens, but we have a second entrance, which is the cars. We have a 10-car garage. So we have 2 entrances into the house, and as well as the main house, we have a stunning guest cottage, which you'll see in due course. So we're following on through the lounge, the second seating area, formal or informal, whatever you want, and hallway. And here we just have to take a look at this. Look at this stairway. We've got another cupola. This lights up at night. It's absolutely stunning. And Gone with the Wind staircase. So it's a double staircase, as you can see. And let's see what the upper floor has for us. The entire house is built around the courtyard. So we have a square again, the same as downstairs. We have 2 cupolas, and I'll show you. Formal sitting room. It's actually a bedroom, but they used it as a sitting room. And the jewel in the crown. Have a look at this master suite. I think there are a few houses in any location that you're going to find a suite of these dimensions. Very, very special. It has dressing room, bathrooms, his and hers. Again, the Andalusian feature. We have an entire covered porch terrace only for the master suite. And look at the view behind me. This is what I call the Marbella Club view, because you're right over Marbella, straight down to the Marbella Club. Africa out behind me, Gibraltar on my left. It's just incredible. Despite the fact that we're so close to town, the peace up here, the feeling you get just looking at this expansive in front of me, it's heaven. Honestly, just sitting here, I feel like I'm left Spain and I've gone to Italy, but at the end of the day, I'm sitting in formal gardens. These are orange trees. I'm sitting here in a proper Andalusian style orange garden. Casa Medusa has one fabulous feature, a private cottage, a 2-bedroom retreat for your guests. Let's have a look. So the guest cottage has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, its own full-on kitchen. It has its own sitting room with a fireplace and direct access out to the pool and the gardens and your own private terrace. Taking a further look at the gardens, we can really see how it wraps around the entire property and it just becomes your personal oasis.